Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Han, and today plant diary is about this plant update. Variegated Alocasia Friday. This plant was my 2023 wish plant. About a month ago I purchased this one. At the time it was bare root, so I eventually decided to put in a leca so it can slightly more established and it's not gonna be move around. For caring for this plant for months is I just put in a quite bright area so it can absorb a lot of light. Trying to change the water every once in 2 days, but then I was sometimes forget. So eventually, at least I changed water once in 3 days. So far, I didn't put any fertilizer, but still, fortunately, it's opened one new foliage, which is very gorgeous, absolutely white foliage. Honestly, it's not really good news because that foliage may not gonna last longer, and then it's not gonna be absorbed all light, and it doesn't gonna be very helpful growing. But still, it looks beautiful, so I'm just gonna keep it. Another difference that I noticed is like, honestly, I'm not even sure where this one is coming from, but like, when you see at the back carefully, like I can see there's more things. The black thingy, which is I can easily guess it's pest. It's like a spider mite, like on a foliage. I'm able to see it. So yeah, I mean like these were generally the main reason that I've been losing my allocation. Always it's being make the foliage looks getting worse and worse. So I just wash down all of them and then I'm gonna give a spray. And honestly, even though I have been growing the plant, when it comes to propagating the plant, I much prefer to propagate in water in general. But I found it when I grow the plant in water, it's just kind of so slow, like compared to when I grow in soil. So on here, I'm gonna transfer to this small pot. Honestly, even this pot is slightly bigger for this one at the moment, but I will just divide it and then put in a 2 pots. Oh yeah, actually, now I can see the roots definitely have been grown up a lot. Like that. I'll leave the 2 for one like that. Like half of them each. For me, if it's like attached like that, I wouldn't really forcing to take it out because it may damage, so I just put as it is. Just put like that. This is the empty bottle, like which was I was using for spraying the table or something. But I found it this spray is kind of working pretty well. So on that, I put some water and then mix this product. It's called Maverick, and then it says kill caterpillars, aphidid, 2 spotted mites, and plot strips, those things. So actually, this chemical is working for the pest or insect that's sucking the sap, I guess. So I'm not sure it's gonna be work very well or not, but anyway, this is the mixture of them all. And I think there is a limitation to washing up. So with that, I will just give a spray. With the wishing it can kill some pests. So yes, that's pretty much everything for today's video. Like after spray and water, I will just keep the pot in on top of the saucer. As far as the saucer is filled up with water, it may help the soil to be remaining moist. Later, maybe I'm gonna change about the watering condition stuff, but like right now, I'll prefer to put like this because the root was already adjusted in water, always being wet condition. So I think, in my theory, if you seed on the dry soil, then it's gonna damage very critically. So that's why I just prepare the saucer and then put in there. So yes, that's pretty much everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and then about a month later, I will bring another update video. Meanwhile, if you want to see how my plants performing, you can follow my Instagram or YouTube channel. And meanwhile, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later.